Hey! In front of me is Black Shark 5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can access all your downloads on this smartphone. First of all, just go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Now you need to type in Files and install this free app from Google Developer. When it's ready, open it. Now you need to just continue, click on Allow and tap on this switcher next to Allow Access to manage all files. Then click on the back button and just browse in the middle. Finally, click on Downloads and as you can see, all my downloaded files are here. If you want to access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!